scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 2, 6, 5, 5 Deccan Odyssey Special Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 2, 6, 5, 5 Mahamana Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3.
क्या नाम है पंडित गप्पा? अरे कोई उनकी मदद करो ना।
Can somebody help her?
Train number 6, 5, 5 Goods scheduled to depart from platform number 3.
Attention loco pilot. There is a massive track maintenance work going on ahead. Please slow down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
Station Master again. You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now.
sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's? I am just finding out the news. How did you decide you needed to take that? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly. Things could have gone very. I made a decision that even if this was going. How do you feel that the woman is naming? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by.